What if I told you Cardano ADA has just done something that could shake up the entire crypto market once again? Cardano rallied an astonishing 166% in Q4 2023, catching most people completely off guard. And guess what? History might just be about to repeat itself. But that's not all. From welcoming a gold-backed token to the Cardano ecosystem, Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, also possibly influencing Argentina's currency, things are starting to really heat up. In today's video, we're diving into Cardano's most recent moves, massive whale activity, new tokens, and the global financial shifts that could make Cardano ADA a serious player on the world stage. Do you think Cardano ADA is able to replicate Q4 surge from 2023, or is this just another pump before a dump? Drop your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let's get in to all of this news. Let's go. So let's start here then. Cardano price surged by a whopping 166% in Q4 of 2023, sparking speculation whether history will repeat itself this time around. The rally was driven by a combination of factors including ecosystem developments, growing on-chain activity, and market sentiment. Now, analysts are watching closely for similar catalysts such as increased whale activity and key upgrades to predict if Cardano ADA can replicate this performance in the upcoming quarters. Look, I'm really interested to get your views and opinions, so please let me know in the comments below. Do you think that Cardano will replicate Q4's explosive move of 166% in Q4 of 2023 this time round? Really interested to get your views and opinions, so do let me know in the comments below. And look, we've already started to see some whale activity, so maybe, just maybe, this could actually happen again and history could repeat itself. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and join us in the free Discord, link in the description of the video. Cardano welcomes the launch of a gold-backed token. The ticker is XNK. Developed with the support of Emurgo, the token is designed to bring stability of gold to the blockchain, offering users a secure and tangible asset within the Cardano ecosystem. This development aligns with Cardano's goal of integrating more real-world assets onto its ecosystem or blockchain and enhancing its decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, capabilities. And I think that, again, this just demonstrates more, and I am sort of summarizing this article quite a lot actually. I will drop it in our free Discord for you to read through at your leisure, but you know, this is the sort of stuff that is going to set layer one protocols apart from others. You know, the integration of AI technology, the integration of real world assets, and the, you know, the tokenization of those, again, is going to be a really big driver for price. And obviously we talked about that in the first article. You know, the analysts are looking for these, right? We've got whale adoption, and I'll come on to that in a moment. We've got, you know, adoption, you know, gold-backed tokenization of real-world assets, AI with SingularityNet, I mentioned in a previous video. There is so much going on, and it actually does all kind of replicate what we were seeing in the previous, you know, year, right? 2023 Q4. So, you know, we've got to keep an eye on this stuff. But let's move on. Hey, everyone, just wanted to briefly interrupt this video to let you know that we've got a fantastic offer on through our affiliate link with Blofin for traders. If you're trading, you could earn an Apple Watch SE, or get this, you could even earn a Model 3 Tesla just from trading. So if you're a trader, why not sign up to Blofin now and take part in this campaign? So Cardano ADA bears have taken control of the market, according to this article, challenging bulls in their attempts to push the price to rebound for ADA. Despite recent attempts at recovery, ADA faces strong selling pressure, preventing significant gains. Technical indicators are now showing a bearish trend, with key support levels being tested. Bulls are really struggling to regain momentum, and the battle between buyers and sellers continues, making near-term outlooks uncertain for the Cardano ADA's price action. But look, again, I don't disagree with this. I think that it's going to be, the market's going to see volatility. Altcoins are going to see volatility. I'm really looking for Bitcoin's strength to reach about 60 and then sort of start to falter as more people come out of Bitcoin. But look, the next few months going into the election are going to be really, really positive, I feel. And I do think that we will see a really big crash in the markets. But I think it's going to be healthy going into 2025. Look, people are asking me, Chris, you called the Q3 Fed pivot, crash in crypto and stocks, but what are we expecting to happen? Like, are we expecting like another 20-40% drop in, a lot of this stuff has been priced in already, right? We've seen the prices come down significantly as the 50 basis point cut, I should say, has been priced in. So for me, like a lot of that, crash to the downside, a lot of it's happened already. But look, I am still expecting to, I guess, retest some previous resistance levels for ADA and other altcoins as we see the strength of Bitcoin compared to altcoins increase. Once we get to about 60, I kind of think it'll taper off and then we'll start to see altcoin season in 2025. So I still think that there's great prices in altcoins. This is the point where I'm starting to deploy capital on all these pullbacks that we start to see. But you can let me know your thoughts and your opinions in the comments below. For me, really, really exciting times. So this one's a really big one. We've got Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is set to meet with Argentina's president, sparking speculation about Cardano's ADA potentially becoming Argentina's official currency. Get this, I mean, like that's some level of speculation. Like I don't know. I don't know. Could you imagine, just imagine if that happened, what that would do for the price of ADA and how it would shake up the crypto market? I mean, it would just be like phenomenal, right? But look, the meeting is to explore how Cardano's blockchain technology might be able to help the country tackle its economic challenges like inflation and financial instability. While the idea of ADA being the official currency of Argentina is purely speculative, the meeting, still underscores the growing interest in blockchain solutions for nation or national economic issues, right? So for me, it's a pretty sizable deal, right? It's a really big thing, and I really do think that something like this could happen. And people have speculated in the past about Bitcoin and Bitcoin being the one, right? And we've seen, I guess nations start to utilize and hold Bitcoin, but this would be something else, right? And Bitcoin probably wouldn't be a good, currency, but Cardano ADA, Ripple's XRP, these could potentially be that, right? And look, I think that this is just nonsense. In all honesty, all my cards on the table. I don't think it's something that's likely to happen. But I do think that it's the technology is there to really support and improve the lives of many, particularly around identification and saving money from inefficiencies and stuff like that. I think the tech is phenomenal, and again, I think it could do really, really well. But I can't see Cardano ADA becoming an official currency of any country. That's just my opinion. But you let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. I would love to be wrong on that. I would love it. So Cardano has seen a sharp rise in whale activity, with transactional volume surpassing $6 billion. That's just huge. This increase suggests to me heightened interest from larger investors, possibly signaling a bullish trend. The surge in whale transactions could lead to greater market movements and price fluctuations, as institutional players may be positioning themselves for future gains in ADA. This activity highlights Cardano's growing role in the crypto market. And look, I really do think Cardano is going to do really, really well. The on-chain analysis that I've been highlighting on this channel shows it and demonstrates that Cardano ADA has been one of the most accumulated altcoins coins in the past 12 months. Not the most, but one of, like, in the top three. Like, it's monstrous, right? And right at the beginning of this video, we talked about what analysts are looking for. They're looking for increased whale activity. We've got that. They're looking for ecosystem growth. We talked about gold-backed assets, tokenization of real-world assets. I met with 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘's founder Dan in Singapore just a few days ago, and they're tokenizing lots of different things. And I can't get into all of them because it's not all public, but there's some really big things happening, and it does lead me to believe that we could see something very similar to what we saw in Q4 of 2023. But you let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. Did you enjoy today's video? If you did, hit the like button, get in the comments, tell me what you enjoyed about it. And for me, really exciting time ahead as we head into 2025. And look, a lot of people have been saying that we've been in this bull run. For me, we haven't. We're starting the bull run now. The bull run starts now. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and I'll catch you in the next one.